Okay, today we're doing something called Shop Talk. Shop Talk is the video series I plan on doing where you interview someone with their cool vehicle, car, truck, whatever it is. So today I'm going to be diving into my 1973 GMC 3+3 C25. It's a boat. It originally started as an 8-foot bed, and the thing was just 40 feet long, but I love the look of it. I eventually took it to a place in Stockton called Truck Life Customs, where all they do is they shorten C10, C25s, right up my alley. So they took the 8-foot bed and they cut the frame virtually in half and shortened it to the modern day 6.5. And I just love the look of that thing, man. And honestly, it made it ride a little better too, because I mean, it was already a living room on wheels, but now I just feel like I'm on a cloud when I'm driving that thing. So I honestly prefer driving that truck over anything else because it's so easy to work on. It's been reliable for the most part. I think one of my favorite things about that truck too is that it's got the big block in it. It's not fast, it's not fuel efficient, but it's fun. I didn't expect to buy that thing either. I was just cruising Facebook Marketplace one day and happened to come across it. And I had a C10 in high school that I loved, but I eventually sold it. So I was kind of like loosely looking for another square body like that. But I didn't expect to buy a 4-door 8-foot bed. So long story short, I went to go look at it, met up with a guy. He was super cool, and he was using it as a tow rig, and he would put his other classic car in an enclosed trailer and go all over California for like these lowrider shows, and it was a pretty cool setup. So I ended up taking it home that day, and the rest is history. Also, I have no idea how this Shop Talk format's supposed to go, so if you want specifics and specs, I'll just throw them up on the screen. I know in the late 70s Firebirds, they had this CB radio called like a GM23, and it doubled as a PA and CB. So there's wood grain on the interior of that truck everywhere. So, and the CB was wood grain, so I was like, perfect. That's when I look at that truck, I just think of like a highway runner, especially with its background just towing. So I put the CB up high on the roof so that the mic would hang down low, kind of trucker style, where you could grab it. And it works, everything works, but I use like a license plate as this little switch plate down low. There's not a whole lot to the truck. I just think it's unique and I want to make a video on it. And I think it'd be a good kind of trial run for this Shop Talk thing I'm trying to do. So if you like this format, let me know. Other than that, I'm really excited to get some other people in here for them to talk about their vehicles, and we can kind of look at them in depth. But in a nutshell, that is my 1973 GMC Sierra 3+3.